Julian here, JayLewisTrading.com. Today, this is a free video on Facebook trade. This was a crazy options trade. It's Thursday, so these particular options are expiring tomorrow. I had to put it on because this was a pretty straightforward trade. It's the exact same setup that I look for. And essentially what we had today was a very, very clear flat top flag breakout. Two different positions. On the first breakout, we saw these options double, and on the flag breakout, we saw these things almost triple, up 277% on the day. So I'm just going to give it to you real quick. For the members, I am going to be posting a full-blown trading video on this, but let me just give you some insight as to what we were doing right through here. And the first thing that we saw is that there was a gap up on Facebook, created this nice little flat top pre-market. As soon as the market opened, we saw some of that early morning chop right out of the gate, and then bang, 170.39 was hit. This thing skyrocketed all the way up to 171 and change, and then it pulled back. And you can see when it pulled back right through here, we started to get into a choppy range. It tried and tested that 171.24 resistance, did so again, creating a double top, pulled back. And then again, right through here, we had a triple top system that pulled back, and then it finally exploded, taking out 171.24, and then creating a sort of a midday high at 171.93. Now, because these options are expiring tomorrow, they're pretty cheap. I think in the money calls that were being bought at 170 strikes, they were trading at 77 cents out of the gate. 77 cents. They closed at, I think, around $2.10. When we got up here, we were in a $1.50 range, and we're not even in these things. You can see that we saw a triple top system right through here. If you were to look at this too on a daily chart, it's just broken out of a range, and it is starting to pick back up, and it's taking an approach to its previous pivot high that was set not too long ago. But this intraday trade is what we were looking at. We saw that flat top breakout through here. It smashed through that 170.39. We got up to this new high. You can see that it got stuck in a range right through here. There's the flag portion of it. So we got resistance all the way over here at 171.24. We have some support, pardon me, at 170.75. It tests, look at this, it sets and it tests 5 times on that 6 run. It goes generally, rule of thumb is you get 3 tests and it breaks. So this, obviously, look at that, 5 times, 1 test, 2 tests, 3, 4, 5, boom. And then it went over there at 171.24. And like I said, these options were being bought at 77 cents down through here. We saw that flat top breakout, created that flag, broke out again, and these things closed at $2.10. I believe that's about a 270+% return on these options had you been trading them. If you have any questions about this trade, feel free to give me an email directly at info@JayLewisTrading.com. If you are a member, I would suggest go into the video library because I'm going to have a full in-depth breakdown. I'll show you what the indicators we're doing. I'll show you how we found this and why. And again, if you have any questions, I'm at info@JayLewisTrading.com.